Hello student, now we'll see the solution of some more question of exercise 5.2. Already I have solved some question. I have told you will try to solve. So you will see question number 17. 2 upon x square minus 5 by x plus 2 equal to 0. What will be LCM here? Or you can do another way. X square is multiplied on both sides. Or you can take the LCM. X square, this will be 2, this will be minus 5x, or this will be 2x square equal to 0. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now you can factorize this. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 or x minus 2 will be 0. The x equal to 1 by 2 or x equal to 2. In this way you can solve. Now we'll see the question number 22nd. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x minus 2 upon x plus 2 equal to 3. In this way you can do the question number 19, 20, 21. So many questions are here. What will be LCM? X minus 1, x plus 2. Correct? Now, this will be x plus 1 or x plus 2, or this will be, it is divided by x plus 2. What will be here? X minus 1, this is multiplied with this. X minus 2 or x minus 1 equal to 3. This will be x square plus 3x plus 2, or this will be x square minus 3x plus 2 upon, this will be x square plus x minus 2 equal to 3. I suppose you can simplify it. Now this 3x cancel, and cross multiplication also. Here this will be 2x square, or then plus 4 equal to 3x square plus 3x minus 6. Then this will be 0 equal to x square, transfer this side, then plus 3x, or here minus 6, or this will become minus 4 minus 10. The x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. X plus 5 minus 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus 5 x minus 2 equal to 0. What will be? X equal to minus 5 or x equal to 2. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. Now, you will see the question number 22. First already solved. If it is not clear, you can ask. 22 second I am going to solve. Here 1 upon 2x plus, 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. Yes. You will take one value here. You can take the 2x here, this side. 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x minus 1 upon 2x equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b. What will be LCM? 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. Correct? So here it will be 2x, here this will be minus 2a minus b minus 2x. I suppose you can do this. What will be LCM? 2ab, or this will be b plus 2a. Is it clear? 2x cancel. What will be common here? Minus common 2a plus b upon. You can take this inside. Okay. 2 you take outside, then x will take inside. 2ax plus bx plus 2x square. Clear? Here it will be 2a plus b upon 2ab. Carry it. Why I have taken this 2 outside? Because this 2 and this 2 cancel. Or this value and this value will be cancelled. Constant you can cancel on both sides. Already I have told you, variable you can't cancel. So, next step you will see cross multiplication. So 2x square plus 2ax plus bx equal to ab. So 2x plus 2ax plus bx minus ab equal to 0. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Yes, this will become minus ab, or this will become plus. Minus is here, so it will become minus. So 2x is common, x plus a plus b is common, x plus a equal to 0. X plus a or 2x plus b equal to 0. So what will be its value of the x? X equal to minus a or x equal to minus b by 2. Clear? Any doubt? No? Okay. Now see the question number 24. Under root x minus 7 equal to 3 under root 2. How can you solve this question? Squaring on both sides. You write squaring on both sides. You will write this statement. Then what will be this? X minus 7 equal to, this square will be 3 3 9 into 2, 18. X square minus 7x minus 18 equal to 0. You write this statement here. So that will be x, you will factorize x minus 9 or x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 9 or x equal to minus 2. Okay. Here after that I suppose you can do the question, very simple question. Next, how can you solve the quadratic equation by the formula? Just I am going to start this. If explanation of formula is needed, then also I can give you this solution. Okay? If you have doubt, you can ask how this formula you can get. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Clear? Then by formula, what will be value of x? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Of b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. I will explain after that. So, some questions you will see, how can you solve by the formula. Actually in the examination we are getting the question, you can get the question. Solve this question by using the formula, means that question will not factorize, it means you are bounded to solve by the formula. और जिसमें फैक्टराइजेशन हो जाता है उसमें सोचने की जरूरत नहीं होती, बट इट इज गिवन यूज द फार्मूला which question factorization is also possible, that you will do by the formula. चलो भाई कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं फिर ट्राई करना तुम. दूसरे का पहला, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x माइनस 7 इक्वल टू 0. Its factorization is possible? Not possible. By chance we have taken this question. This factorization is not possible. But first part, factorization is possible. But you will solve by the formula. So a equal to 1, b equal to 7, c equal to minus 7. The x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. तो minus 7 plus minus under root b square, this 7 square 49 minus 4ac, so 4 into 1 4, or then it will become plus 28. So the minus 28, or then it will become plus upon 2 into 1 minus 7 plus minus under root 7 77 by 2. This is clear? So you clear this solution. Now see the question number 5th. Suppose I want to solve one question with factorization is possible. जैसे पहले का दूसरा ही देखो, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Its factorization is possible or not possible? Oh, minus, okay. So this factorization is possible? Not possible. But if the 5 is given, then it is possible. Okay, first part you will see, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now see the factorization. This factorization plus 6 into 2 12, or 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So this will be 2x minus 3 or x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to 2. This is by the factorization. But here it is given, use the formula. So by formula I will see. दोनों से बता रहा है इसको. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 7 or C equal to 6. How can you solve this by formula? What method will be mentioned, that you will use. x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. तो माइनस माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर 7 स्क्वायर 49 माइनस 4ac, तो 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 6 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2, 7 प्लस माइनस 49 minus 48 1, then 1 you will get by 4. So this solution will be x equal to 8 by 4 or 6 by 4, 3 by 2, or this will become the 2. This is clear? So one question I have solved by the factorization and formula both. I suppose now it is clear. So 1-2 question we'll see. Fifth, x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus x plus 2 upon x minus 2 equal to 4. Somebody are solving this question by substitution. They are supposing this a, this will become 1 by a, but then they are doing. But directly you do by the LCM also you can do x plus 2 or x minus 2. X minus 2 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square equal to 4. Is it clear? Or a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square equal to 2a square plus b square. याद रखना चाहिए एक्सपेंशन को, x square plus 2 square upon x square minus 2 square equal to 4. Then this will be cancelled. 2 x square plus 4 upon x square minus 4 equal to 2. Okay, I get a bit. So x square plus 4 equal to 2x square minus 4. Which question is this? Fifth. Okay. Now 0 equal to x square minus 8. Okay, after that you see this step. This will be 8 or this will be 12. Correct? Directly you can get a solution without formula. X square equal to 12. X equal to plus minus under root 12 equal to plus minus 2 root 3. But in the question this method is not mentioned. मतलब तुम करते हो ऐसे तो नंबर नहीं मिलेगा अगर मेथड मेंशन है तो बाय फार्मूला. तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 12 इक्वल टू 0, a इक्वल टू 1, b इक्वल टू 0 और c इक्वल टू माइनस 12. तो x इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. व्हाट यू राइट? 0 प्लस माइनस 0 का स्क्वायर 0 माइनस 4ac, तो प्लस 12 अपॉन 2 इंटू 1. देन x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस under root 12 by 1 4ac, sorry, 4ac 48, correct? This will be 48. Now by 2. Then it will be plus minus 4 root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, it will become plus minus 2 root 3. We have got the solution. This is clear? Okay, in this way you will try to solve this exercise up to the question number 9. In the question number 9 already it is given, you suppose the first 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3 equal to y. Same hint I have given you first part. Maybe कर सकते हो. It will depend on you. Directly want to do or by substitution you want to do. So up to the 9 you will try to solve. Okay. 10th, 11th, 12th I will explain next time.